Hello students, welcome to the next class of Environmental Studies. Today our new topic is lesson number 8, our need for water. Children, sometimes tears flow from our eyes. When we cry, tears flow from our eyes. Our mouth waters when we see a tamarind pod. Our mouth waters because we have the desire to eat the tamarind. Sometimes our nose runs when we have a cold. When we get a cut, it bleeds. Blood comes out from the body part. What does this tell us? Tears, saliva, water running from the nose and blood are present in our body. They are substances that flow. They all contain water. Tears, saliva, water running from the nose and blood are forms of water that are present in our body, and so they flow out. Children, let's do an experiment. Take a small piece of cucumber, grate it and squeeze it hard. Also take a slice of lemon, squeeze it hard too. What do you see? Children, juice flows out of the grated cucumber and the lemon slice also. Now what do you come to know by this? There is water in cucumber and lemon. Similarly, there are so many fruits and vegetables that contain water in it. Can you tell me why do we feel thirsty? We need water if our body has to function properly. Water plays a very important role in the functioning of body. Water keeps our blood thin. Water helps to digest the food, and the unwanted substances from our body are removed through urine. For all these functions to run properly, our body must have enough water at all times. And when there is lack of water, we feel thirsty. Like human beings, all living things need water. Animals, plants, each and every living thing needs water. In many villages, cows, buffaloes, and goats come to the river or pond to drink water. Grass and other bushes also grow near the water. Animals bathe themselves in it. Animals have a bath in this water. Birds like kingfisher, egret can also be seen near the water. People from the village wash their clothes and some carry water to use at home. Rivers and ponds are a public source of water. This water has to be kept clean because it is used by so many others also. We know animals need water too. Some require less while some require more amount of water. But each and every living being requires water. Generally, when we visit a zoo, we can sight the wild animals at the water hole, because when they are thirsty, they visit the water hole and you can easily sight the animals there. We need water not only for drinking but also for cooking and cleaning. We need water for agriculture and industry as well. Water is very important in our lives. Plants need water too. If you don't water the plant, it slowly dries up or eventually it can die. We water our plants. Farmers water the crops in the fields. Thus, plants, like animals, need water. The big trees in the forest also need water to grow. But do you know from where do they get water? When there are rains, rainwater seeps into the soil. The roots of the trees are spread deep into the soil, and these roots absorb the water from the soil, and so in such a way the trees in the forest need water that they require to grow. Some plants grow only in water. Have you seen lotus or a water lily? We can try our best. You can give all your efforts to grow them in the soil, but they cannot survive there. They require only water to grow. Water is a natural resource and we should not waste water. Everyone should take care to keep the public source of water clean, and we should not throw garbage or dirt into the water. It is each one's responsibility to keep water clean and save the water.